In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a customer in QuickBooks Online. To get started, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're logged in, go to the top navigation menu and click Customer Hub. From there, select Customers to open your full customer list. Now, take a moment to locate the customer you want to remove. If you have a long list of customers, it may help to scroll carefully and double-check the name before continuing. Once you find the right customer, click on their name to open their profile. This is where QuickBooks gives you more options for managing that customer's record. Inside the customer profile, look for the drop-down arrow or the More Actions menu. The wording may vary slightly depending on your QuickBooks Online layout, but the option you need should be there. Click that menu, then choose Make Inactive. At this point, QuickBooks Online will usually display a confirmation message. This message is important because making a customer inactive does not necessarily erase every past transaction connected to them. Instead, it removes them from your active customer list while keeping your records organized. Take a second to review that confirmation message so you understand what will happen next. When you're ready, click Yes or Make Inactive to confirm. After that, give QuickBooks Online a moment to process the change and update the customer's status. In most cases, this only takes a few seconds. Once the update is complete, return to the customer's list. From here, check the active customer list to make sure that customer no longer appears there. This is the easiest way to verify that the change was successful. If you ever need to find that customer again later, don't worry. You can use the Inactive Customers filter to view records that are no longer active. That can be helpful if you need to review past activity or confirm that the customer was properly removed from the main list. One quick tip before we wrap up. In QuickBooks Online, making a customer inactive is the standard way to remove them from active use. So this is the option you'll generally use instead of permanently deleting the record. And that's it. You've successfully removed a customer from your active customer list in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching.